So this is your half kneeling groin isometric with some progressions and variations involved. So the goal of this exercise is to increase how the groin works so it doesn't feel nearly as uncomfortable. So in order to do this exercise, we need to have a half kneeling position, which means that you have one knee up, one knee down. So on the front side leg, which is the point of emphasis, we need to keep in mind a few things. We want to have a 90-degree bend of our knee on the front side, where there's a straight line from my ankle to my knee and from my knee to my hip. Now, we need to keep in mind on the front foot, our foot contacts. 3 points of contact: big toe knuckle, fifth toe knuckle, and heel. We never want to lose those as we do this exercise. And so from here, I think the exercise is fairly straightforward. So what you're going to do is you're going to think about taking your opposite elbow and putting it on the inside of the opposite knee. So I'm here, and all I'm doing here is I'm pushing my knee into my elbow and my elbow into my knee, and I can feel my groin starting to work. We don't want our knee to travel out like this, because then we lose our big toe knuckle, which we don't want to lose. So we're just building pressure here. Now you can hold this for time, and the harder you push, the more you should feel your groin. Now for the first variation, all you can do is just rock forward and back. Forward and lean all the way back, but we're never losing the pressure of our knee into our elbow and our elbow into our knee, and we're never losing our foot contacts. So now what we're doing here is just bringing our groin through the range of motion. From here, we can also go into a split squat where I drive through my front foot and my back toes to come on off. That's going to make it harder, more intense, and then you can add these rocks backs and forths. If we want to lengthen the groin even more, we can let that knee come out a little bit further, but we can't lose the big toe knuckle. So now I'm here, I get more length in the groin, and I go through the same progression. And you can go as far as you can as long as you don't lose that big toe knuckle. So this is your half kneeling groin exercise with some variations involved.